Hey guys, this is Ron with Kimber Home Services again with our wrap-up video on our project that we've been doing in Grapevine, our full remodel from roof through the entire inside. If you guys want to come on inside, I'll show you everything that we accomplished. All right guys, we are in the main den slash dining room here just inside the front door. To kind of recap the whole project, we did, basically the house was emptied. We did everything from popcorn, ceiling removal, all the way down to the floor. But in the den right now, the main thing that we can show you, it's very easy to see because of the vaulted ceilings, is an example of the lighting that we did, which these LED lights were put in all throughout the house. One of the neat things about these lights is that they're actually controlled by an app. You can change the color of them, the brightness, and actually it can be done remotely when you're not in the house. As we walk throughout the rest of the house, you'll see these in every single bedroom. I think we added a total of 26 lights in the ceiling that were not there already. And then every single light fixture and fan, all of that is all brand new. All the original fixtures and chandeliers were all taken down and changed. And also too, this is a good example of the floor that we did. Before they had basically carpet in most of the house had not been remodeled except for a little bit in the bathroom since I think the early 80s when it was built. So all of that was taken out, and we actually got that down to the cement slab and had to level quite a bit of the floor to get it to level out nice for what we ended up putting in, or should I say they ended up picking, was an engineered hardwood floor, which has a locking mechanism and creates a floating floor when put over a acoustic underlayment is what it's called. And when you walk on it, it kind of gives a little bit. So it's a lot softer than a hardwood floor. Some people don't care for that. And this has actually come out beautiful. And we did this throughout the entire house. Installed all new baseboards along with all of that, and so we'll be showing you that as we walk through the rest of the house.